In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your custom domain name from Namecheap to Systemeio. Hi, and welcome to this channel. All right, so to begin, hover over your profile image or avatar and click on Settings. All right, so scroll down, and down here, you need to click on Custom Domain Names. Click on it. As you can tell, I have blogsdom.systemeio. That is my blog website I want to connect a custom domain name to. So just to let you know, you can create a website, a funnel, or a blog website without connecting your domain first. I'll right click and just show you, just so you know that you can still create. See, this is it, but it's on Systemeio custom domain name. That's why it says blogsdom.systemeio. All right, then when I scroll down, you can see there's a website. Now I'll close it. I'm gonna connect. I'll click on add domain and I'll type in www dot and I'll go back to Namecheap. You need to locate your domain. My domain is just right on top right here. So I'll click on manage, scroll down. All right, so make sure your domain is on Namecheap basic DNS, all right, and not any of these. All right, then click on advanced DNS. All right, now I'm gonna double click to highlight, then right click, copy, and I'll go to Systemeio, right click and paste, and click on save. All right, so now the DNS configuration for your domain is issued. So what you have to do next is to copy this, the www. So right click, copy and move over, because now we have to connect the CNAMEs. So I'm going to delete all of this. So to do so, you just have to click the box beside type, then click on action and remove everything, because I don't want to go one by one just to save time. All right, so click on add new record. So we need the CNAME. So this is CNAME record. Then click under host and paste your www that you copied, then go back. Now we need to drop the value here. So I'll copy everything. Okay, don't miss anything, right? Then go back, then paste it here. All right, you can decide to click on save changes, or you can wait when you finish everything, then you click on save all changes. Okay, that's what I'll do. Then add new record again. Then we need another CNAME. Then we go back to system. Okay, copy from right to left, go back to Namecheap, click under host and drop it. Then go back to system again and copy everything you see down here. Go back to Namecheap and drop it. Okay, the target. Now I'll click save all changes. Save all. All right, so it's saving. All right, so it's done saving them. So I'll go back and close this. Okay, now as you can tell, it says pending. This is gonna take about half an hour. So there's one more thing I'll show you quickly. To know if you've done everything right, what you have to do is highlight your domain name and copy, right click and copy, and go to dnschecker.org. All right, then paste it here and change this to CNAME and click search. All right, so as you can tell, this is for propagation, and see, even right here, Kansas City is still propagating. All right, see, it's not done yet, so don't worry, it's gonna work out later. So as you can tell, globally everywhere is checked. Okay, and don't worry, it's gonna work out. So let me reload and see this. So search. All right, so as you can tell, right now Kansas City is now propagated. All right, so check globally everywhere. So that means when this website is live, nowhere on this planet will have issue accessing my website. All right, so I'll close it and I'll check my domain. I think it's still not normally after half an hour. It says 24 to 48 hours, but in most cases, after half an hour, it should work. So you just have to be patient. So I'll let you know when validation is complete. So it's over 15 minutes and it's not even up to 30 minutes yet. And as you can tell, it says ready to use. So verification is done. All right. So next, what we have to do, like in your case, you can start creating your website, funnels, or digital store. It's up to you. Now, in my case, I'll mark this as my default domain. So click on it and confirm. All right. So now I'm gonna try and connect this website to this custom domain name. So to do so, I'll hover over sites and go to blog, and I'll click on blog website. All right, and I'll hover over these three dots and click on settings. Under domain name, click on the arrow down and click the blogsdom.com and click on save button down here. Click on it. So now I'm gonna hover and view, and bam, now this website is connected to blogsdom.com, which is cool. So moving forward, I will direct all my funnels, my pages, my website and digital store to blogsdom.com. If you find value in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.